All right, let's have a look at Canva AI and see what the fuss is about. So just click on Canva AI, and over here you can see kind of a lot of things you can do with Canva and AI. An animated loading screen of a cat, images, graphic design, videos, which is really good. I'm always in need of B-roll for videos, so this will be very useful. Design for logos. So there's so many uses of AI in Canva. So go ahead and have a little look and see what floats your boat and what makes sense to you. But today together, we're going to try 3 different types of Canva AI generation. We're going to do a graphic design ad, a video B-roll, and a product mockup. So let's have a little look. Let's start with a graphic design ad. Perhaps a professional real estate listing of my modern apartment in Belgium with a pink door, and let's have a look. Now over here you can choose design, image, doc, code, video, and bear in mind that for video you will need the paid Canva Pro. And if you did want Canva Pro and have access to pro stuff like creating videos and B-roll and high quality images, all with AI, then check out the link in the description below to access Canva Pro. That rhymed. And you can have the Pro account and you can have lots of AI features and premium tools, etc. So check it out. So, all right, let's do design and see what is up. So I'm going to press submit and my guess is as good as yours. Okay, so far, isn't that gorgeous? And the pink door looks so pretty. Kind of want to live there. Unique pink door. I really like it so far. The design is a bit simple, but I think it's not too bad. Let's look at the second one. Ooh, I do love this as well. Again, it's pretty simple, but it does the trick. And it automatically adds text and typography, text formatting, like the different, fonts and styles. All right, let's look at the next one. Ooh, this is also nice, modern, looking good. And this one is not really what I wanted, but it kind of creates intrigue. So anyway, so that was the first Canva AI option, and I like all of them. So thumbs up for now. Let's go back to Canva AI. And let's look at the second prompt that I'm going to enter. So far, so good. So the second one is B-roll for a video. Now, I'm often creating videos, and I often film my own B-roll. B-roll is like secondary images or videos that you can see in a video whilst you're talking about something. So you have A-roll, which is either the screen recording or my face when I'm talking. And then B-roll is when I'm talking about something, I want to show that something. So that's B-roll, and it's pretty cool that we can create it here, but let's see how it goes. A woman typing on a keyboard with nail polish design of cats. with a nail polish design of cats, and choose video clip. Let's see. Submit and see what Canva AI has to offer. On it, this might take up to 2 minutes, so hang tight while I get your video ready. Bear in mind, perhaps I could have written the prompt better. Let's have a little look and play. It's sort of what I asked. You see cats, so not that bad. I'm actually going to save this because I may use it. Although perhaps the cat's design could have been a bit cooler, a bit nicer. And also here you can choose make it photorealistic, use a close-up shot, use soft lighting. So these are pretty cool variations you can add to your B-roll. Another one could be like saying, oh, make a video with thumbs up. So every time you're like, I'm talking about something and I think it's really good and thumbs up for it, then I'll show that video. All right, so that was the second prompt. The first prompt is that apartment listing, which I liked. The second one is the B-roll of the cat nails. And now the third one, I will do some product mock-up. So a skincare bottle with botanical shadows. A skincare bottle of my homemade sustainable face cream made from cherries and antioxidants. I have no idea, I'm just inventing stuff. With botanical shadows and real cherries. All right, I'm gonna click on design again and submit. That sounds like a beautiful idea. To get started, I'll need you to pick a design type. Please choose from the options provided to you and I'll help you bring your skincare bottle concept to life with botanical accents and real cherries. Okay, I already love this. This is like a little assistant, Canva AI assistant, assisting me in the design. So do I want a poster or an Instagram post, a presentation, a flyer, or a photo collage? So this totally depends on what your needs are. I will go with a poster. I also like that Canva renamed this to Sustainable Cherry Face Cream Design Concept. I can overcomplicate stuff and use too many words to describe something. Perhaps I translated directly from French, and I like that Canva simplified the title and the concept. And already I see a few that I love. So I can already tell this is my favorite. But let's have a look at all of them. So let's see this. This is pretty cute. It's quite nice. It's pink, there's cherries around it, and you can tell the botanical shadows like I asked. It's cute. I find it a tiny bit kitsch, but it's not too bad. And it's quite well balanced with the shadows, the botanical flowers in each corner. So it's quite a nice composition. Let's look at this one. This one looks great, but I think it looks a bit too fake. If you look at this, it looks a little fake. Although again, I quite like the composition. I like how balanced it is and how you can find an element in each corner, and this is quite centered and the text is here. I quite like this texture over here. Although it's a glow drops, they're drops, which technically isn't a face cream. And now for this one, which I think is my favorite. I love this composition. I like the minty green background. I like the shadow. I like that it's centered, although there's not enough description of the product. The product itself doesn't look so good in this one. I just like the layout and the composition of this poster. It looks quite nice. It's centered. It's clean. I like text. I like the font. I like the little shadow here at the bottom. Looking good. And my least favorite probably is this. It's a bit more kitschy and a bit less professional, I would say, but the product itself actually looks the best. So I guess my favorite would be a combination of perhaps this layout with this product, perhaps, because there's detailed, it's really designed, packaging, or perhaps a bit of this, but make it look more professional. And I can ask Canva AI to make some adjustments for me. So yeah, that was my first try with Canva AI, where I created a video, a graphic design poster for a listing, an apartment, and my very own skincare bottle ad poster. So pretty cool. What is your experience with Canva AI? And if you want to learn some more Canva tricks and tips, then check out my class. I created a whole class for beginners where I teach some really cool shortcuts that probably other teachers don't teach, because I'm all about shortcuts and making things faster and easier, but very calm and composed, not to overwhelm you. And I actually use examples of DIY, doing your own wedding stationery and cards and thank you cards and invites. So check it out. The link is below. And as always, I'm Kate Silver. And as always, it's a pleasure discovering some tools with you.